This video is for class 9th and 10th math and topic is trigonometry. This is 90-degree angle. If we take sine A, then this is base, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse. And if we take sine C, this angle, if we take sine C, then this is base, this is hypotenuse and this is perpendicular. Now sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now you will say that how will I learn trick? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, this P upon H. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, B upon H, B H. And tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, P B, P upon B. This you may learn this trick. Okay. Now cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base. And cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. And trick, HHB upon PBP. Now for cosec, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, H upon P. This H, this P. For sec theta, hypotenuse upon base, this H and B, this base, B. And for cot theta, base upon perpendicular, this is B, this is P. B for base, P for perpendicular. Now sine, cos, tan are opposites of cosec, sec and cot. Sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Opposite, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta. Opposite, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. And cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Tricks. Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta are opposites of cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. These are very important identities of trigonometry for class 9th and 10th. Tan theta is equal to sine upon cos theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta is equal to sec upon cosec theta. You should learn these identities. Now cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sine theta and is equal to 1 upon tan theta is equal to cosec theta upon sec theta. Now sec theta is equal to tan into cosec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta is equal to cosec theta upon cot theta. Now last, cosec theta is equal to sec theta upon tan theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta is equal to sec theta into cot theta. These are some more formulas for trigonometry. Sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Sine A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. ये कुछ फॉर्मूलाज हैं ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के जो कि आपको लर्न करने हैं फॉर क्लास 9th एंड 10th. नाउ 3 formulas you should learn. Sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. Cos A into sec A is equal to 1. Tan A into cot A is equal to 1. These formulas are for class 9th and 10th trigonometry. These are some more formulas you will have to learn these formulas. Sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta is equal to sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cosec 90 degree minus theta is equal to sec theta. Sec 90 degree minus theta is equal to cosec theta. You will have to learn these formulas by writing in your copy. अगर मेरा चैनल आपको पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दें। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए गुड लक।